let's just take a moment to listen to New York City. Welcome to my channel. Pretty much been waiting for a warm day to record outside. I'm literally, it's not my balcony, but I like to call it my balcony. When I first moved in here, literally it was my birthday, and like a week, or I moved in and then like a week later it was my birthday, and my brother came and we just chiefed it out here. And so I have been wanting to record out here for the longest. It's very serene. My backyard is not the prettiest, but I get a sense of nature when I come out here, and I've been wanting to record. So here we are. We are doing a Dollar Tree haul. I wanted to show you some of the things that I got. I went there and I spent $11.89 after tax. So basically, we're gonna jump right into it. And if you're interested in seeing what I got, then hit subscribe, like, and share this, all that stuff. And if you don't want to do that, thanks for watching and be a nosy. There's 100 in here, 100 cotton balls. I like to have these around. I do like the actual like flat swabs. I think that's what it's called. I do like those, but they didn't have them, and I like these. These are $1. Is this Skin Nutrients? It's not even like a name brand. This is a age-defy dark circles. Age-defy dark circle and puffiness serum. It's a treatment for dark circles, puffiness, fine line, and wrinkles. It says it's dermatologist developed and won't clog pores. Oh, there's a train coming. I do apologize if that gets annoying. It does for me too, and it's loud. It's a full ass train. It's gonna go hella slow. But let me show you how it works in the meantime while the train is passing by. So it's got a little bit of a ball, and it's cold, and you do hear, and I used it this morning, and I always look, I didn't realize how tired I look in this area. Not trying to stick my middle finger up at you, but I didn't realize how tired I was, and I used it this morning and I really liked it. And if you're wondering why I spent $1 on a drugstore cheapy choppy product, is because I was intrigued by the ingredients. So one of the ingredients I really like is that it has niacinamide. I'm gonna put a little bit of a detail of what niacinamide is in the corner of the screen, but that is really good for your skin. It's got Camellia sinensis leaf extract, which is basically chamomile. It's got tripeptide, and then tetrapeptides. Peptides are really good for your skin as well. It's got tea ferment, black tea ferment, bitter cherry. It's got plankton extract, and it has a lot of ingredients that I personally would use in my skin already, and it's got vitamin K. So I noticed immediately when I used it, it was depuffing, and I have really youthful skin. I'm very thankful for that. Shout out to my mom Dukes. But I didn't realize how tired I was looking, and then I used it this morning and I was like, wow, I'm super depuffed mommy. This facial brush from somewhere there, and I can't afford Clarisonic. This is like my Baddie. I want to make a Baddie on a budget series. So my roommate has one of these, and I look at it all the time. Not that I want to use it, but I wanted to get something like this. It's very soft, and I just wanted something to buff out my cleansers and stuff, because I found that I was using like older toothbrushes, and I'm like, I don't think that's really sound. I got a liquid lipstick. This is from LA Colors, which is a brand that I feel like a lot of YouTubers and just influencers do use. LA Girl and LA Colors. But I've been trying to find a nude lip that is just a tad browner than my lips, and colors always switch up once you put it on your lips if you have pigmentation, which I do. And so this is the color Affair to Remember. Ooh, so scandalous. Oh, my lips are not even prepped, but let's put it on my hand. Yes, birdies, it is springtime. Oh, this is actually pretty. It does look a little mauve, and I have too many mauve. I was like, no, don't drop nothing. This is a little dangerous. You think this could hold my weight? Yeah, right? I hope so. Let's put this on the lips. Oh, this is my lip color. My lips are a little bit chapped. I didn't have any expectations for it because it is a see, there's a difference between drugstore makeup and then there's like 99-cent store makeup. So I got this nail polish that I'm wearing. Do I love it? I didn't realize how green it was. I wanted it to be like more of an iridescent, but I've got compliments on it all day at work. I do like it, but I wanted like that iridescent green, purple, blue that no matter which way you turn, you're gonna get a different color. This is definitely like seafoam green with a tint of blue, but I do like it. So this is my other nail polish, Basic Bitch, basically. It's number 901 from Sassy and Chic, just like me. This is cute for like springtime. I'm not in a rush for summer to come. I know people are like, oh, summer 18, slow your roll. I need to just throw this in my bag. This is the Gold Bond Healing Aloe. I don't know if any of my subscribers like Wendy Williams, but I'm a huge fan of her because she's a sassy bitch, and sometimes I can't even believe half of the stuff that comes out of her mouth. But she obviously has an endorsement or some sort of sponsorship with them, and she keeps talking about Gold Bond. But she says she suffers from like dry skin, and I'm like, all right, sis, let me try this out. I'm not gonna give them all my money, but I'll give them $1. They are, it says a 7 intensive moisturizer, vitamin E. Okay, it absorbed very quickly. That my roommates are back and just see me outside on the fucking ledge and shit. Like, are you okay out there? Yardley London oatmeal and almond. I used to use this a while back. I like that it doesn't have any sulfates in it. It's made with coconut oil. It's got oat and some other interesting ingredients. It's very like a vegan kind of. I'm gonna have to make it in a separate video because this is gonna be long. What I did was I really wanted the Fenty body lava, right? And even with the 15% off that's going on right now, and like if I waited till like the end of the year or whatever to get the 20%, it was still gonna be just a little bit too much. And I'm all about the DIY, do it yourself. So what I did was I got this little, it's basically a travel dressing container, and it's squeezy, and then it's like that. It's very squeezy. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put these two products in there and mix up some highlight that I either don't wear or just scrape out a little bit of what I don't, a highlighter that I don't wear or don't like as much, or something that I have in my kit, and sort of balance it out with this. The reason I got these two is because I was looking at it, I just kept staring, and I was like, why would coconut oil just be in a container like this? Like, something was drawing me to it. So I picked it up and immediately looked at the back, because it said that it's concentrated natural oils and that it has other ingredients, but it was for hair, scalp, and body. And I was like, that's kind of intriguing. So I looked. First things first, it does have mineral oil. I don't really like that it has mineral oil, but mineral oil is penetrating, and I know, I now understand, especially as I teach myself about like skincare more and about natural ingredients and oils and all that kind of stuff. I understand why they have it. It penetrates your skin the same way like avocado oil would and jojoba, but it's just a little bit thicker for people that have drier skin. If I'm incorrect, that's okay. I can learn. And so it has sunflower, coconut, carrot, moringa, vitamin D and E in it. And the girl at the register, and I think it has retinol. Yeah, it does. It has retinol on it, which I'm not even sure why it would. So I'm gonna put a little bit here. The thing about the Fenty body lava is that it had like a thick serum, and that's pretty much what I want. This is what I was originally gonna get. I'm gonna insert a picture of it. It's like a cream from, I think Johnson & Johnson makes it, and another brand makes it, but it's like a thick like coconut. Vaseline makes it, and it's made with coconut oil, but this smells, my paranoia just kicked in. I was like, it's time to get off here. This smells really good. And the one I used to use in the summer was with coconut, but I would take a shower and it would absorb into my skin. I like that this already smells good, and if I just add in my my highlights, I've got body lava. So I'm gonna show you guys that in another video. Oof. Girl, I gotta get the fuck out of here. Let me get the fuck out of here. So this is, before I end this, how much? So at the bottom, I say all that to say that I'm gonna use this, and the way that I calculate it was, this is 2 fluid ounces. The girl at the register said it smelled really good and she loved it, and she said she was surprised that it wasn't sold out. And I was like, well, what if I don't like what I create? At least I have a good moisturizer I can throw in my bag. You know what I'm saying? You gotta switch it up. So these are 1.5 each, so it'll be 3 fluid ounces. I'm going to just probably empty out this entire bottle, put it in here, add in my moisturizer, and then I'll show you guys how I do all that in a separate video. But that pretty much wraps up this video of all of my spending. Is mine. I spend it. Yeah, that's everything. I didn't get too much. Sometimes you gotta treat yourself. I was kind of feeling kind of bummed out, and I was like, I need something, and I either eat my feelings or shop. I feel like everyone does that, right? Or people do drugs or have sex. Mine is